Okay, Hunter. What does the letter Q say?
Qu.
What does the letter R say?
R.
What does the letter A say?
Ha ha ha.
Ah. What does the letter D say?
D.
What does the letter B say?
B.
What does the letter F say? What does the letter C say?
Z.
No, the letter C.
What does C?
C like this, C?
Oh,
It says k, k. What does the letter E say?
ah.
What does the letter H say?
Like hunter.
Like hunter. What does the letter I say?
Ah.
Eh. What does the letter J say?
G.
The letter J.
What does say?
It says J, J.
Like popcorn?
No, like daddy, like J, like daddy. What does the letter K say? Yeah, J. What does the letter K say, Hunter? What does the letter L say?
Ba-bum, ba-bum.
Not really, but that's okay. What does the letter M say? What does the
Like hunter too.
like hunter too. What does the letter N say?
Like hunter too.
What does the letter O say?
Ha ha. Like hunter too.
Okay, stop, Kennedy. What does the letter P say?
Like hunter too.
What does the letter S say?
Like hunter too.
What does the letter T say?
Like hunter too.
What does the letter U say? U. Good boy. What does the letter V say? What does the letter W say?
What?
What does the letter X say? What does the letter Y say? The letter Y. Do you know why? What does it say? Yeah. Yeah. What does the letter Z say? And those are all the letters in the factory. Okay.